What is going on, YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. Boy, do we have a lot to go over and discuss in today's video. Lots of crazy stuff happening across the board. I even heard that the XRP lawsuit is over. Like, they actually got a decision, and that's affected the price, which caused, XRP to skyrocket. I don't know if you guys heard about that. They go, judge orders Ripple to pay $125 million in civil penalties, ending the SEC lawsuit. Then it also goes that because it ends, people, are buying the rumor, selling the news. And that's why we're seeing XRP target $10 as court officially ends the Ripple lawsuit. Like, it is official. We're going to check out this article here, or maybe we're going to check out a couple of them, because this might be the official thing that has taken like 4 to 5 years to deal with for who knows how long. But that is pretty wild. Lots of information, lots of things to go over, especially the XRP lawsuit. We are obviously going to be looking at XRP. You can see the major reversal to the upside here. I've been making videos day after day talking about how we are going to experience a rebound, and if you guys are not in that rebound, you guys are going to be missing out. Not only did we show you just about 4 days ago the fact that we pretty much were at the bottom here, but we talked about it. You can see, and I don't want to hear anybody disagreeing because it is right here in my videos. We literally made this video saying the rebound is starting. Then yesterday, making a video showing what this means, major reversal to the upside. You can see the uptick that we called. We called the rebound starting right here in literally 2 days ago. We showed the rebound. Then flash forward 1 day, rebound continued, and here we are as of today, seeing even higher rallies within XRP. This is very exciting. Lots of important information and news to discuss. But not only XRP will we look at, we're also going to be looking at Solana, Ethereum, as well as Bitcoin too. You can see they are all rebounding quite nicely across the board, most of the cryptos. Solana looks really nice too. We knew this, we were expecting this, we were waiting for this, and it is finally happening, which is very exciting. Now, with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before I forget, BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange, is doing double rewards. So you can get not only a $50 free incentive sign-up bonus here, $50 in USDT, but you'll also get a, a 31-day VIP rate, and they're also offering 0 spot trading fees, which is incredible, because now when I convert and transfer money back and forth, they're not charging me any fees to do that, which is awesome, as they used to, and pretty much every other exchange has a maker and taker fee. Those are gone, so it's a very, very, very exclusive, nice bonus that they're giving away. The only way to get it is to sign up with the link down in the description below, and more info on BYDFI and how to get over 2K and sign up bonus money will be later on in today's episode. Anywho, I can't wait. Hopefully you guys can't. We need to look at what exactly just happened within this XRP price right here. We go XRP price skyrockets 20%. Is that actually true? Let's see. XRP is up. Geez, get that back. I had to reset Google. You can see XRP is up. Wow. Yeah, 20%. That is insane. XRP exploded here. And you can see as we continue onwards, it has us here. XRP climbs about 62 cents as news of Ripple SEC lawsuit ending ignites interest in the token. This is what we've been waiting for. We knew this was going to happen, but we also were calling for a rebound to take place as well. So it wasn't a surprise here. But they go, XRP races towering high above crypto horizon. It exploded 20%. However, the presiding judge ruled on Wednesday that Ripple needs to pay $125 million, which is insane, in civil fines. The judge also imposed an injunction warning that the blockchain against future securities law violations. Very interesting. Look at this here. They go, Judge Torres has issued her ruling over SEC's motion. Finally over for now. Thanks again, James. Here are my quick takeaways on the ruling. Overall, huge win for Ripple. It goes, although I'm surprised at the $125 million hit, Ripple more than made that just on the price move in XRP in the last 5 minutes. That is very true. From the reaction, here are the major takeaways from the ruling. Can we see what the major takeaways are from the ruling? Where is it? Are they in the comments? Because I really don't want to load it up, but let's see. Maybe we go to 9 replies. Nope, I don't know. Whatever. It's not too big of a deal. Maybe it talks about this more in the article here, but it goes technical indicators, yada, yada, yada. Then we'll jump into this article here. Targets $10 officially as Ripple ends the lawsuit. I don't think that's going to happen, but it goes, they successfully closed the recall that the judge Annalisa Torres summary judgment decision confirmed that most of Ripple's sales did not constitute unregistered securities offerings, except its past sales to institutional investors. So in these transactions, the courts found that Ripple violated Section 5 of the Securities Act. So the Ripple fine 94% lower than the SEC's demand. That is insane that they demanded $2 billion in fines, and that Ripple had argued that, and now they're only paying 6% in fines. That is incredible here. The SEC asked for $2 billion. The court reduced their demand by 94%, recognized that they had overplayed their hand. We respect the court's decision of clarity to continue growing our company. That is incredible. This is a victory for Ripple and the industry of the law. Yeah, they can make back their $125 million. They have 30 days to pay it. They can do that in probably an hour. 5 minutes, not even. XRP aims for $10 in mid-case resolution here. Yeah, we're going to see some pretty big things. XRP initially spiked yesterday at 64 cents, but they're thinking they're going to go all the way up. So it's pretty incredible that we're seeing this reverse rally within XRP. Luckily for us, we've been able to capitalize off this run, off of these trades. It's super easy. But you can see here, we knew this was going to happen. We knew we were seeing these movements. It is quite a coincidence that it happened right within our beautiful descending fractal. We've been tracking this descending downwards trend on XRP for months now, since July of 2023. So it's pretty much been a year here of this lower high, lower low pattern here that's been forming. We haven't yet broken out of it, so there's really nothing to say here. Until we breach this price ceiling, we can't rally. It's that simple here. You can see in the past how many times we've had these wicks, these candle wicks play around, the tips of the candles, where we don't actually break through resistance. And we've had 4 weeks now of doing the same exact thing, trying to break through it. We haven't done it. And I also said it's not the end of the week, so there's a very good chance we can reverse rally back up. And that is exactly what happened here. Still seeing the same consolidation point as we have in the past. Again, it's not a buy-in opportunity, as we've said numerous times. Don't let this information fool you. We're not buying in until we confirm closure outside of this we can call it blue resistance level. Once this downtrend in blue is confirmed, once we break through this price ceiling and the red band, then we'll buy in with the expectation of a long position. Otherwise, we could very easily continue our downtrend. And that's pretty much what you guys have to take away from today's video, is the possibilities that this could very easily reject. I mean, it's so funny. Major downtrend, everybody's scared, talking about a selling off, and then here we are, like 3 days later, all the way back up to the same price that we started at. We're back in the game, and we're still retesting it. What's even crazier is we were retesting this level trading at 67. Now we're retesting it at 54. So there's so much more room for us to continue up. If we can confirm closure, we need a weekly candle closure above that major resistance. Until then, I'm not touching XRP, because we've done it in the past here, and I don't want it to happen again, and then we get burned. So consider that. Obviously, we did all these trades on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BYDFI allows me to buy long. It allows me to sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BYDFI, including a demo trading account and a crazy sign-up bonus. But check it out. Stop limit orders, take profits, so on and so forth. So what I did when I first started is I went over, obviously I got whatever sign-up bonus they were giving right here. And then what I did is I went over to their demo trading and their welcome rewards. So I signed up because it's free with the link down in the description. That's what I used. I signed up, went over to here, claimed all these bonuses, or as much as I could. Obviously not all of them, because some of them require very hefty deposits, which I can't, hit. But a lot of them required small amounts here. $500, $5,000 to $5,000 bonus by feedback, certain deposit levels, depending on what you deposit over time, you can earn, which is really cool. But I claimed a lot of these here. And then what you do is you go over to the demo trading account. This is the best market here. I was able to trade around completely risk-free by using the demo trading account, the simulation money, getting familiar with the exchange. And once I was ready with, trading, once I made a few consecutive trades on the demo account and I got familiar with the platform, I went over to the live trading account. And then with all the bonus money that I accumulated, I was able to trade off of, and all that profit I could withdraw to my Coinbase or to my bank or wherever you want to send it, which is pretty much the easiest way to do this and the best way moving forward. So make sure to check out BYDFI, like I said, down in the comments below or the description below. And moving forward from BYDFI and XRP, looking at Solana here, you can see, and I just want to pull up BYDFI real quick again. Just let that load right there. Pull that up right here. Okay, cool. In case we need to reference it. But Solana, you can see, also had a major reversal. Now, a lot of these cryptos we decided not to touch after their correction here. We shorted them. We got stopped out. We've been waiting, mainly because even though we knew of a rebound here, we knew we would come back up. I've said the basketball method like 1,000 times. You slam it to the ground. That's the correction right here. Hits the floor, rallies up, not as high, but you can see, and eventually it starts to form something like this, or maybe we slam it and then it forms something like this. And ideally, what this ends up doing is forming some sort of technical indicator that we can use for the next run that decides to come. So we're sitting ducks on Solana, and with a lot of these cryptocurrencies, Ethereum hasn't moved as well. We did know it was going to continue this low, though, because you can see it is the continued descending fractal. So this was by no means a surprise, but we are due to reverse on Ethereum, and we are also due to do the same, or due to do the same on Bitcoin as well. So more than likely, we're looking for that same result relative to the upside. Here's what I want to talk about. Stock market as of yesterday closed us lower here. We rejected. We are 1,000% inside some sort of major descending fractal. It is so obvious and clear as day. You can see the problems here. Probably going to consolidate now that we have the room. But you can see we are battling and holding on for dear life. The goal is to not break through that, green band here. We have the moving average to use as a support. We have the floor to use as a support. The goal is we can pop out above this major downtrend and rally to the upside here. Otherwise, we break through that floor, we're going lower. Now, I've already dollar cost averaged. I already bought in right at this exact moment here with the hopes that we can reverse up. If not, we're going to fall. Now, I only put a little bit in here. Just enough to say, if we do decide to rally up, I'll at least be in it and I'll have some skin in the game. If we fall, well, I'll keep buying in. I'll buy in here, I'll buy in over here. Obviously, I'll give you more accurate readings later on, but you guys get the gist. I'll put a little more and a little more, pretty much calling where rock bottom would be. And then on the way up, I'll just, dollar cost average down and we'll make a ton of money. That's the goal here. So I already bought in here with the expectation that this could be the lowest point. If we break through this floor, I'll put more in right over here with the expectation of rallying. And if we don't, we hit yellow or green, or white, then I'll put in even more with the expectation of heading up. It's that simple. Anywho, that's it for today's video. Smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.